I'm Professor Bengt Johannesson. I'm a senior professor in entrepreneurship and business development at Linnaeus University in southern Sweden. And for the time being, I'm very much concerned about inactive research, which means that the researcher initiates project him or herself and does some kind of auto-ethnography. That's my concern now. Well, I think the field has been colored in very brightly. I think it's important to indicate that there are some dark sides to entrepreneurship education. I mean, often it's presented as anybody can practice entrepreneurship, but there are a lot of, I would say, even existential challenges which have to be demonstrated, and that I think is a very important task for research in the future. Well, I think the way to do the research includes collaboration between researchers and practitioners. And I can imagine that the ideas and the theories, practical theories, then developed can be in a way extended into the classroom. That is, I mean that we should invite more practitioners to the classroom and discuss the practice of entrepreneurship. Well, my very specific point of view or point of departure is that we are all, as human beings, as children, we are entrepreneurial. All children play, and I think entrepreneurs, they play also, of course, a bit differently. But I think to some sort of recognize the basic capabilities of human beings is what entrepreneurship is concerned about, and we should develop that attitude. So it's not a matter of teaching or learning entrepreneurship, it's in a way to reconstruct the capabilities we had as children. That's a challenge. And in an emerging and constantly changing world, that kind of perspective that children have, it's natural to change continually. We should bring that into adults as well. Well, my favorite theme is that personal networking is the most important resource for an entrepreneur. I think it's also the most important resource for an entrepreneurship researcher. So what events like this and the organization can do is to create arenas where we can have more social interaction.